Whether you're planning your next road trip, going off-grid for a weekend of camping, or just love staying prepared with cutting-edge tools, you're in for a treat. Today, we're counting down 8 insanely cool gadgets and smart tools that can make a huge difference in how you travel, camp, and explore the outdoors. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 8, Car Speed Display. The car digital speedometer is a sleek, modern upgrade to your driving experience. It connects via OBD2 and gives you real-time stats like speed, fuel consumption, water temperature, and more, right on your dashboard with a HUD-style projection. What makes it futuristic? Gesture recognition control. You can change displays with a wave of your hand, no buttons required. It's made with durable, high-quality materials. Works with most cars, trucks, and SUVs, and offers a safer, smarter way to monitor your vehicle's performance while driving. Number 7. Ship Oil Diffuser. Meet the Titanic Ship Diffuser, a stunning 250-milliliter humidifier that doubles as home decor. Shaped like a classic ocean liner, this remote-controlled diffuser sprays out a jellyfish-style mist ring that looks mesmerizing and smells amazing with your favorite essential oils. It includes timing functions, auto shutoff, and a low-noise motor under 36 decibels, making it ideal for bedrooms, offices, or relaxation spaces. The unique design and ambient lighting create a calming atmosphere while keeping the air fresh and comfortable. Number 6. Titanium Wood Stove. The Nature Hike Titanium Stove is the ultimate portable heating solution for serious campers. It's ultra-light at just 2 kilograms, yet incredibly durable, thanks to its 100% titanium construction. Perfect for groups of 3 to 5 people, it folds down for easy transport and comes with a 2-meter chimney for smoke control. Whether you're out in the woods or camping in cold climates, this stove provides reliable, eco-friendly heat using natural firewood, built for longevity and performance in harsh outdoor conditions. Number 5. Tribut Folding Knife. If you love the outdoors, you'll want to keep the Strider MFS HAN 317 knife close at hand. Designed for survival, climbing, and jungle adventures, this folding knife features a 9.4 centimeters steel blade and a lightweight linen handle that gives excellent grip. While it doesn't have a spring force or a lock mechanism, its simplicity and balance make it perfect for everyday carry and rugged use. Whether you're cutting rope, prepping firewood, or handling emergencies, this compact blade delivers strength when you need it most. Number 4. Smart Fishing Pump. For anglers and campers alike, the 3-in-1 Smart Oxygen Pump is a versatile tool that combines oxygenation, LED lighting, and a triple filtration system to keep your bait tank fresh and clean. It uses induction side sensing, so no need to press buttons, just wave your hand. It's whisper quiet at just 40 dB, making it perfect for peaceful environments. Whether you're on the shore or boat, this smart device ensures your fish stay healthy and visible for better results. Number 3. COB Work Light. The mini LED flashlight is a powerhouse packed into a keychain-sized design. It uses COB LED technology to blast up to 500 lumens of light with 3 modes: high, medium, and low. It's perfect for emergencies, car repairs, camping, or simply walking at night. It also includes a corkscrew tool, making it a practical multi-use flashlight. USB rechargeable and compact, this small tool delivers big results. Number 2. Portable Water Bucket. The 11-liter water bucket is a must-have for road trips, camping, or emergency preparedness. Built with a detachable faucet, it provides clean, spill-free water access wherever you go. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, it's designed to resist leaks and is super easy to carry. Whether you're hydrating, washing up, or cooking outdoors, this bucket makes water handling easy and mess-free. Number 1. Tiny Mosquito Repeller. Say goodbye to bug bites with the FlexTail Tiny Repeller. This compact powerhouse not only repels mosquitoes with chemical-free heat diffusion, but also doubles as a camping lantern with 4 brightness levels up to 400 lumens. With a 4,800 mAh rechargeable battery, it lasts up to 13 hours, and the USB-C port makes recharging easy. It's IPX5 waterproof and fits in your palm, ideal for tents, patios, backpacks. and backcountry adventures. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.